Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix audio problems when you place a call or when you receive it on iPhone or Android. There are many causes for this issue, but today I'm just going to share two main tips to fix this problem. Any change you make in your phone settings may affect the service in your phone. If you place a call or you get an incoming call and you can't hear any sound, try the first solution. Just turn off your phone for a few seconds and turn it back on. Restarting your device can fix the problem. If it's not working, try solution number 2. You may have enabled Bluetooth in your smartphone, which affects the sound in your device. This happens when your calls are routed to a Bluetooth device that is not active. So open settings in your phone, look for Bluetooth in your device and turn it off. Then restart your phone. I hope this helped you fix audio issues in your phone. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
My gadget glows so bright, it hums all through the night. It blinks and winks at me, like tech with VIP. I tried to turn it off, it laughed and said, "No, boss."